doing very well this fine day. Trim my beard, so it's only one thing. It means it's springtime. Anyway, today I wanted to showcase a tool that my wife bought me. Surprised me with, really. I think it's pretty neat. But unfortunately it said it was indestructible. So, no matter how cool I think it is, I'm going to have to try and destroy it as well. Anyway, here's what I'm talking about. It's called a Spud Ratchet. Here, look at that. Kinda neat, huh? It's a ratchet and a hammer, and it's got this little spike on the end. So, of course I'm going to throw it. One of the cool features about this Spud Ratchet is not only can you use it as a ratchet, I mean it really worked well, but you can also use it as a hammer and a nail puller. So, I don't know, before I throw it, I might as well use it as a hammer, see if I like it. I'm sure I'll like it just fine though. I mean, after all, how can you screw up a hammer? That's not a bad little multi-tool. Like it. There we go. It worked. Yeah, look at that. Neat little stabbing weapon. Cool. My Spud Ratchet, I can hammer with it, I can ratchet with it. Works perfectly. The hammer, a little bit clunky, and the wrap that they put on it didn't hold up with the hammering. But it still got the job done. I mean, granted, they were only little finish nails. But anyway, now I want to see if I can throw this thing. It's got an awkward shape. I might be able to do a spin throw, but I'm no good with those yet. So I'm going to try some no spin throws, see if I can get the stick. And then I'm going to try maybe a trick shot. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Okay, here we are. About 3 meters. That's not quite what I expected. Interesting. Huh. There we go. Huh. Managed it with a half spin. I'll have to thank Mr. Cruz for that. See? Holy smokes. Hit her kind of hard there, Ricky. Oh. Oh, what happened here? Holy smokes. Wow. I'm gonna do that again. That was pretty cool. Oh, I broke my holder. Neat. How about one more? You know what? I'm kind of hell-bent on throwing it no spin. I'm gonna keep going. Finally! I got her. It only took me a few hours. But look, didn't sink in nearly half as far as a half spin, but it still sunk. It's in there pretty good now. Anyway, I'm gonna set up a trick shot maybe. Alright, well, for this shot I'm gonna do a slowed down half spin in about 4 meters. And I'm gonna see if I can hit that balloon right there in that roll of duct tape. Huh? Should be kind of difficult, but if I can do it, it'd be kind of cool, huh? Let's give it a go. We'll be here for all day. This won't be nearly as impressive. All right. Finally. Not too bad. Imagine if that was dangling like I had at the beginning. But hey, sometimes you just have to adapt. All right, thanks guys. Well, that's right. I said I was going to see if this really was destructible. Well, let's bring out Splitterson one more time, see what happens. Do the back half first. Alright. Now we'll try with the split now. Huh. Well, looky here. Got a little bit cut from where I got hit. But other than that, it's pretty straight. I mean, it bent a little bit when the maul part hit it, but it's not too bad. I mean, I've seen worse. Heck, I've done worse just by throwing. The ratchet part, it's pretty buggered. That's okay, I might be able to fix that. I don't know, probably dirt or a stone or something like that in it. It's no big deal. I have plenty of ratchets and I break them all the time, so what's one more broken one lying around? Anyway, I think I might just clean this up a bit and call it a day. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been a lot of fun.